Hey everyone, in this video I'll be unboxing the Belkin Boost Charge Pro 3-in-1 wireless charger. I bought this on ebay.com and it was priced 189 Australian dollars. So I bought this probably 2 weeks ago before the iPhone 14 launch event. And it just arrived today in the mail. So let's go ahead and unbox in this video. So it is covered in a lot of bubble wrap, so let's take this apart. So before we unbox the wireless charger, let's take a look around the box. So we have Boost Charge Pro 3-in-1 wireless charger with MagSafe. So this can charge the iPhone, the Apple Watch and the AirPods all simultaneously at the same time. They claim it's faster wireless charging up to 15 watts with the Apple Watch and the iPhone. And it is made for MagSafe and Apple Watch. And that's just the side view of the wireless charger. And on the back it tells you some features about the iPhone, which we will discuss in this video. So we have two tapes here that we need to cut open, so let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so that's all in the box. So first off, we have warranty, more warranty, and we also have our charging brick, and this uses a proprietary connector to connect to the wireless charger, which we'll set up in a second. And here is the wireless charger. So you can get this in black or white. I've got this in black. And here are instructions on how to connect the cable to the wireless charger. And there's the other side. So it's pretty easy. Right, so let's just peel off the plastic. So taking a look around the wireless charger, it is pretty heavy. We have this base which is made out of matte plastic, so it has a nice matte finish to it. As you can see, we have Belkin, and this arm is made out of real metal, which is why it's heavy, and it is held on by two magnetic pads right here. So here's a closer look at how it's been held. So it looks like you cannot swivel these charging pads around. They are fixed in place. And what's interesting is this has a matte finish to it, this charging pad, but this one has a glossy finish. Maybe, not sure why. And there's a little dent. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a little dent here, so a space for the AirPods to rest on. And that's just the bottom view. So this is where you will connect the charging cable and has an L shape, so it can wrap around in this little groove here. So let's connect this to a power outlet. So it should be connected. So here's that. So let's demonstrate the wireless charger. So here I have an iPhone with a MagSafe case on. So we're just going to connect it to here. And as you can see, it is magnetically stuck to the wireless charger. And it's also made that sound and little animation to show that it is charging. I've got my Apple Watch here, so let's place it on the charger. Same thing, we have our animation here, and you can see it is charging. And we've got AirPods, we'll just chuck it under here. And you can see the LED indicator on the AirPods as well as the base of the Belkin itself. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3. So we've got 3 devices all charging at once. So that's pretty neat to put it on your office table or even on your bedroom table. Now we're going to test out if we can place the Apple Watch charger on the iPhone charger and vice versa. So what we're going to do is let's try. So nope, unfortunately it does not want to stick to the magnetic charger. Let's try the bottom, let's see if it works on the bottom. And no, it doesn't. So it only works on this small charger here. Okay, let's try the Apple iPhone. Nope, it's too big, it won't magnetically stick on here. So that's unfortunate. Let's try the bottom. No, I don't think I can get it working. So no, unfortunately not. And with the AirPods, let's try the AirPods. No, I don't think so. Oh, actually, it works with the iPhone MagSafe charger. So that's pretty cool. So it actually works with the MagSafe charger on the iPhone. So not only it works here on the base, but also on the MagSafe iPhone charger. So that's pretty cool, and it sticks magnetically, as you can see there. So that's pretty cool. Now let's test. So let's put the iPhone back on the charger, and let's test if we can rotate this and it will still charge. Yep, it's still charging. It's still upside down. It still works. So you can basically charge this in any orientation and it will still charge without falling off. So that's fantastic. So now let's try with an Android phone. Let's see if the MagSafe chargers will work with an Android phone. So let me get my other phone. Nope. Oh. So it does work, but you do have to hold it. You do have to hold it. So yeah. But I don't recommend it. What about the bottom? Let's try the bottom. Oh, it does work. So as you can see, it works with the base. So if you put an Android phone here on the base, it will work. But obviously, I don't think this will work on the Apple. No way. It's too small. It will work on this one, but you'll have to hold it, which is well, kind of defeats the purpose. But you can lay it flat on the base and the charger will work. So that's about wraps up this video. That's just an unboxing and little demonstration of the Belkin 3-in-1 wireless charger. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.